being here today has reminded me that it's all a choice. And so waking up each day, putting that thought in my mind, like everything I experience today is my choice.
We invest in so many things every day, but we never invest in our minds.
Everyone needs the mindfulness of learning how to meditate or learning more about the nutrition and hydration that they need to be putting in their bodies, and just hearing stories of other people who have been in a similar position or in a similar place of where everyone else is, and that there is hope and there is faith and a possibility if you keep moving forward that you can do it yourself.
Attending an event like this is so important to me, but I think for everybody, because we can't do this alone. We can't see ourselves outside of ourselves. Like, we really have to get in a space with greater energy. So these events are important because they shift your state, but they give you something that you can't give yourself and on your own.
I think a lot of people do a lot of inner murder work, and this is great to revive. You know, it's a great way to get up again and live for a purpose.